2024, a year to remember at Max Hair Clinic. This year, Max Hair Clinic transformed hair restoration with technologies that are uniquely and proudly ours. We didn't just innovate, we led the way. This year we pushed boundaries and introduced revolutionary treatments. Follicle Gen I 360, GFC Fibrin Plus, and when it came to choosing the best, some of the biggest names trusted us. Trusted by celebrities across industries. From sponsoring blockbuster movies to making an impact on and off the screen, Max Hair Clinic became a household name. Most importantly, we changed lives, thousands of them, and our clients said it best.
Thanks for Max Hair Clinic for giving a good result.
And I feel great.
எனக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு, ரொம்ப ப்ரொஃபஷ்னலாக இருந்துச்சு.
மேக்ஸ் ரீக்ரோத் சென்டர் வந்துட்டு நல்ல ஒரு பெஸ்ட் ரிசல்ட் தரக்கூடிய ஒரு இடம்.
I recommend Max Hair for all peoples.
I would definitely recommend.
Very sure that this is the place where I'm going to do my transplant.
2024 was the year we experienced a surge in international clientele. Clients from the USA, Canada, UK, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia, and Switzerland chose Max Hair Clinic. This Christmas, we brought the festive cheer right into our clinics. From exclusive discounts to special giveaways, our Advent calendar was our way of saying thank you. But this is just the beginning. In 2025, we take the next big leap, marking our global debut. Max Hair Clinic. The world awaits.